Locality is the answer to the question that Isaac Newton was worried about. How can the Earth know what the gravitational field of the sun is? And the answer, as spelled out by Laplace and Einstein and others, is that there's a field in between. And the way a field works is that what's happening to the field at this point in space only depends directly on what's happening at points right next to it. But what's happening at those points depends on what's happening right next to those, right? And so you can build up an influence across space through only local interactions. That's what locality means. What happens here is only affected by what's happening right next to it. That's locality. The idea of locality is built into every field theory, including general relativity as a classical theory. It seems to break down when we talk about black holes. And, Hawking taught us in the 1970s that black holes radiate. They give off, they will eventually evaporate away. They're not completely black once we take quantum mechanics into account. And we don't know for sure, but most of us think that if you make a black hole out of certain stuff, then like Laplace's demon taught us, you should be able to predict what that black hole will turn into if it's just obeying the Schrödinger equation. And if that's true, there are good arguments that can't happen while preserving locality at the same time. It's just that the information seems to be spread out non-locally in an interesting way.